A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. We begin with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Language, Arabic language, okay, or any language for that matter. कोई भी language हो, हर language के letters होते हैं, words होते हैं, okay, और हर language के phrases होते हैं और उसके sentences होते हैं, okay. Every language has its letters, has its words, has its phrases and has its sentences. We all know how to read. तो हम लोगों को letters already पता है, okay. We all know the letters of the Arabic language, okay. So that will not be covered. We will start with learning the words of the Arabic, okay. So every language has its words, its phrases and its sentences, okay. And all these words, phrases and sentences are divided into many different headers. If we talk about all kinds of languages, ye sare alfaz are divided into many different headers, many different topics, okay. Alag topics mein these words are divided, okay. For example, in English we have learned that there is noun, there is verb, there is adjective, there is adverb, okay, there is adverb and so on. There are many different headers under which all these words, us language ke words are divided into, okay. We might have forgotten, hum log bhul gaye honge all these topics. Don't worry, inshallah I will teach you what these words mean as well, okay. Now just like in English language or any other language, there are nouns, verbs, adjective, adverbs, prepositions and whatnot, right? There are many different headers. Similarly, we have such headers in the Arabic language as well, okay. And these topics are called parts of speech, okay. कोई भी sentence अगर लें तो कोई हर एक अल्फाज उस सेंटेंस में किसी ना किसी टॉपिक के अंदर जाता है, किसी ना किसी हेडर के अंदर जाता है. उन हेडर्स को क्या बोला जाता है? उन हेडर्स को पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच बोला जाता है, okay. It is called parts of speech, okay. Now in English or other languages there are many headers, okay, but in Arabic, much more simply, there are nouns, okay, nouns, and there are verbs and there are particles, okay. What did I say? Arabic mein there are nouns, verbs and particles. I'll tell you what it means, don't worry. I'll tell you what it means. We'll talk about all of that, don't worry. For now, just remember there are nouns, verbs and particles, and in Arabic they are called, noun is called ismun. What did I say? Noun is called ism in Arabic. Arabic mein isko ism bola jata hai, noun, okay. And verbs in Arabic it is called fi'lun. What did I say? Fi'lun, fi'l, okay. And finally, particles in Arabic they are called harfun. What did I say? Ism, noun, fi'l, verb and harf are particles, okay. There are three different parts of speech. आप कुरान में से कोई भी वर्ड उठा लें, वो या तो एक नाउन होता है, या तो वो वर्ब होता है, या तो वो पार्टिकल होता है, या तो वो इस्म होता है, या तो वो फि'ल होता है, या तो वो हर्फ होता है. Don't worry, we'll talk about what each of these headers mean. Noun क्या होता है, verb क्या होता है, particles क्या होते हैं, we'll talk about it, okay. Let's talk about what are nouns. Nouns क्या होते हैं, okay. Names of things, people, places, ideas, terminologies, etc. all of these fall under noun. किसी भी चीज का नाम हो, किसी भी जगह का नाम हो, किसी भी शख्स का नाम हो, कोई भी आइडिया हो. आइडिया मतलब for example, if I say eating, okay, this is an idea. आइडिया भी हो, या फिर टर्मिनोलॉजी हो, okay. किसी भी चीज के या फिर सब्जेक्ट्स के नाम हो, कोई भी नाम हो, या फिर रिलेटेड टू नेम हो, उससे रिलेटेड भी कोई वर्ड हो, all these kind of words fall under noun, okay. All these kind of words fall under noun. किसी भी चीज का नाम, terminologies of things, people, places, all these are falling under noun. इसको ism बोला जाता है, okay. All right, now next is verbs. Verbs, to put it simply, ये action होता है, okay. All kinds of actions are called verbs. Okay, verbs, all kinds of actions. For example, he ate. Okay, उसने खाया. Or if I say he is running, वो भाग रहा है. Or if I say she will study. Okay, if you notice, all these words, they are action. कोई ये particular action कर रहा है. Someone is doing something. Okay, किसी भी काम के करने को verb बोला जाता है, फिअल बोला जाता है. Okay, जैसे कि he ate, उसने खाया, या फिर he is running, वो भाग रहा है, या फिर she will study, वो पढ़ेगी. Okay, so all these three different examples which I have given, they are all relating to a particular action. कोई यहाँ पर कोई action कर रहा है, right? So whatever words are relating to action, they are called verbs. Simple? Okay, all right. So what did we learn so far? Ism is names of things, people, places, ideas, terminologies, etc. And verbs are everything to do with action. कोई है जो कोई काम कर रहा है, तो उसको verb बोला जाता है या फिर fi'l बोला जाता है. Simple. And if you also notice, all these examples, he ate, उसने खाया, ये action already हो चुका है. Then he is running, meaning वो भाग रहा है, ये action right now हो रहा है. Okay, then the third example is she will study, वो पढ़ेगी, meaning ये action अभी होने वाला है. Okay, so actions are divided into three parts. Okay, past, present and future. Okay, action जो हो गया है, action जो हो रहा है या फिर होने वाला है. So actions are stuck in time. Okay, या तो वो हो गया हो सकता है, या फिर हो रहा हो सकता है, या फिर होने वाला हो सकता है. Okay, so that's a property of verbs. Okay, कोई भी action हो तो उसको verb बोला जाता है. Now finally, harf. Okay, now harf is like the cement between the bricks. Okay, ईंट के बीच, दो ईंट के बीच में जिस तरीके से सीमेंट होती है जो वॉल को कंप्लीट करती है, इसी तरीके से हर्फ होते हैं. वर्ड्स लाइक इन, इनसाइड, ओके, एंड अपॉन, ओके, एंड words like the, we say the, right, the book or something in the English language. Okay, these kind of words, they are called harf. Okay, they do not make any sense by themselves. अगर ये word, ये अल्फाज खुद से अगर आए तो इनका कोई मतलब नहीं होता. If you just say in to somebody, किसी को upon आप बोले, ऊपर बोले, right, तो it doesn't mean anything, उसका कोई sense नहीं है. There has to be something before or after these kind of words. Okay, only then there will be some sense. Okay, particles are those kind of words. हर्फ उस तरीके के अल्फाज हैं जो खुद से कोई सेंस नहीं बनाते हैं, जब उसके पहले या उसके बाद कोई वर्ड आता है तभी उसका सेंस बनता है. Okay, so these are the first three things that you need to understand when it comes to the Arabic language. Okay, so there are parts of speech just like in any other language. Even in the Arabic language there are parts of speech. There are nouns, okay, names of things, people, places, ideas, terminologies, etc. जिसको अरबिक में इसम बोला जाता है. Then number 2, there are verbs. Okay, fi'al, जो के relates to an action. Okay, words will tell you कि कोई action हो रहा है, इसको verbs बोला जाता है. Then finally there is harf. There are particles which don't make any sense by themselves. वो खुद से कोई sense नहीं बनाते हैं, जब उससे पहले या उसके बाद कोई word आता है तभी कोई meaning उसका बनता है. For example, if I just say in, उसका कोई meaning नहीं है. If I say in the class, तब जाकर उसका थोड़ा बहुत मीनिंग निकल कर आता है. सो वर्ड्स जिसका कोई सेंस नहीं होता बाय देमसेल्व्स, अगर वो खुद आ रहे हैं तो उसका कोई सेंस नहीं होता है, उससे पहले या उसके बाद कोई वर्ड होता है तभी उसका सेंस बनता है. दिस काइंड ऑफ वर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड हर्फ. ओके, सो वी हैव लर्नड three things in the first class. There are something called parts of speech. There are nouns. In Arabic it is called ism. There are verbs. In Arabic it is called fi'l. And then there are particles. In Arabic they are called harf. So these are three different kinds of words. बस इतना आपको याद रखना है. सिर्फ 3 हेडर्स आप याद रखें, बाकी सब आप भूल जाएं तो इट्स ओके, डोंट वरी. आप अगर मेरा नाम भी भूल गए तो इट्स ओके, डोंट वरी. ओके, बस आपको ये 3 हेडर्स ना याद रखने हैं. नाउन्स, इसम, वर्ब्स, फि'ल एंड पार्टिकल्स, हर्फ. दैट्स इट. इतना याद रखना है. ओके.